Are you feeling a little bit grouchy lately? Well, we've all been there.
That is a symptom of hormonal imbalance, and today we're going to share with you a balanced bath soak recipe to help get your hormones in line and help calm you down after a tough day. So I'm Katie.
And I'm Shyla.
We're aromatherapists at Simply Earth, and we love teaching people how to use essential oils. And this recipe comes from our subscription box. So if you're interested in that, head to our website to check it out. So for this recipe, you'll need 2 cups of Epsom salt.
Okay.
You'll need 6 drops of our new Good Vibes blend, which is designed for hormonal health.
Okay.
6 drops of our Ladies' Choice blend, which is designed to help support symptoms that relate to PMS. Lavender buzz. You also need fractionated coconut oil, which is a carrier oil. So to start, I'm going to pour the coconut oil into this bowl so we can first dilute the oils in the carrier oil.
Okay.
And now Shyla is adding the essential oils.
Okay, so stir those up.
Yep. All right, once they've been mixed, you can go ahead and add them to the salt. Shyla's gonna mix this up until it's all over the salt. It's an even consistency, and then she can go ahead and combine the lavender. So that just takes a couple stirs. You want to store it in a sealable container because that will improve its shelf life, and you want to try to avoid getting water in your mixture as well, because that'll start to break down ingredients. Once you've got it in your sealable container, don't forget to label it. You just cut them out and peel off the back, and then you have a cute little label. So to use it, add up to a cup to your bath. A cup will give you the benefits of the salt as well, which are great for detoxing and supporting your circulation. But if you want to conserve your salt, you can use less and just have a great smell in the bath too.
For more great recipes just like this, go straight to simplyearth.com.
All of the things you saw for this recipe come in our essential oil recipe box, so be sure to check that out as well.
See you later.